Hi, my name is Nicole.
And I'm Paola, and we're from Las Vegas AM Medical Assistant class. And our video today is about poisoning for our emergency and first aid chapter.
Where you at so we can meet up and go to my car and get some food?
Hey Nicole, I'm going to the stairs right now. I'll meet you by the stairs before going out.
Well, how you been? How was class?
It was good. How about you?
It was good. It's kind of boring though.
Oh, that sounds so good right now. I'm starving. So, what do you want to eat?
I'm craving Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, we can go.
Stepped out on this Friday night. You acting like an old lady.
Alright, Nicole, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow at even.
Yeah,
okay,
bye.
bye. Love you. Be safe.
Love you too. I'm gonna just watch some TikToks before I go inside.
2 hours later.
Nicole, are you okay? Nicole, are you okay? Wake up. I'm gonna call 911.
For a family of Nicole, I'm right here. Her sister. How is she? Is she okay? She's doing okay. The nurses are helping. I don't see her. I just can see that she's fine. Okay. Close the door. I'm done now. Can I go see her now? Yes, you may, but she is still in critical condition right now, so we are trying to get her stable. Okay. Follow me. Okay.
Just follow me this way. You're gonna follow me over here to this room.
Okay, so right now, the nurses did put a mask over her so she can breathing pure oxygen. I am gonna take a couple vital signs of hers just to make sure everything is okay and that she'll recover quick. I'm gonna have you follow me right up here. I do need to talk to you about a couple things. Okay. Her breathing is a little under, but also her pulse is very weak. We are gonna take a couple test orders like blood tests, chest x-rays, ECGs, just in case to make sure there's no monoxide or anything. And when you go to, you want to go ahead. What's going on? What's going on? She's flatlining. There's no pulse. Time of death, 9:07.
Nicole, wake up, Nicole.
I'ma just freaking.
Okay.
I'm like.
Okay.
Mask that's gonna help her. Hopefully, I hope that's.
Hi, Nicole. Are you okay? Nicole.
Yeah, for real, like.